in shade Mocha Me Crazy. You're Mocha Me Crazy. I think it's a play on You're Making Me Crazy. You're gonna Mocha Me Crazy. I don't know. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna. If you're new here, I do makeup reviews, makeup tutorials, skincare, anything beauty related. I got you covered. Today let's talk about something that was nearly impossible to find. This is the Essence Baby Got Bronze. It launched this year. It's been sold out on Amazon a couple times. I've gone to Ulta, no luck, or it's not even in the stands. I know it's online, but sometimes with Essence, I like to see the product in front of me before I buy it, because Essence is definitely one of those brands that there are some really good hits and there are some major misses too. So it's a brand that I like to see in person if I can, or if I can find it on like Amazon, for example, where I can order it, take a look, see is this gonna work, is it not gonna work? So I was quite fortunate that I was able to get it off of Amazon. It only comes in 3 shades, which is not, that's kind of annoying because it should come in more, and some of the shades are definitely questionable. I will say that. I'll go more into detail in my application, but I think, you know, for a drugstore find, it's definitely worth looking into. So I have it on right now, but when I show you the like application and everything, you'll see how it did bronze up my face pretty nice. So yeah, if that's something you're interested in, definitely keep on watching. Okay, this was nearly impossible to find. It's never in store, and half the time the color that I wanted was sold out on Amazon, and then I finally got it, so I ordered it quick. This is in shade Mocha Me Crazy. You're Mocha Me Crazy. I think it's a play on You're Making Me Crazy. You're gonna Mocha Me Crazy. I don't know. I don't know. Anyways, this is what it looks like. It's little, it's cute. It is scented. What does it smell like? It smells like candy. Oh, I hope that doesn't linger. I don't like when makeup is scented too sweet, but it's almost like a watermelon smell. Jolly Rancher watermelon, kind of. Let's swatch it. That's pretty pigmented. Let's see how it blends. Not bad. It's very pigmented. It is definitely a bit of a stiffer formula. It's not like gliding on my hands the way I thought it would, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. So let's just start applying. I'm just gonna make sure my hair is not in my face. I kind of want to go with a brush and apply it and see how that works. This one is my Ultra Multi from My Kit Co. Let's pick it up. It's looking pretty, looking pretty. It's pigmented, guys. Very nice. All right, let's just because you can apply it directly to your face. I don't like putting product directly to my face. I'd rather just take it from a brush or the back of my hands, but I wanted to see if it blended pretty easy, and actually it did blend really nice on my forehead. Let's see, I'm gonna put some on the back of my hands and pick it up this way. This I kind of like to prime the brush. I'm just showing you the different ways that I do this. So there's another way. When you prime the brush, it just gets the product into the bristles, and then you just blend away. Yeah, that has good pigmentation. What drove me crazy about this though is I believe it only comes in 3 colors, and some of the colors were questionable. If this is supposed to be a contour, yeah, it says bronze. The lighter colors, well, the lighter color, I'm sorry, was gray. And you can't bronze with gray. So I'm sorry if you're fair and you're curious. I don't know. I think that would be better as like a contour. This blends away really nice. What I like, let me show you. So that's the swatch, like blended out. It's not orange. That's huge. That's major. A lot of times drugstore bronzers, cream bronzers, powder bronzers, they just tend to be so freaking orange, and it doesn't work for everybody. It sure as hell doesn't work for me. This is nice. This is very nice. That's really good. Let's put a little in my crease because I'm somebody who loves to use a product multiple ways. So we're kind of using it as eyeshadow. Very soft definition in the crease. I'm liking how that looks very much. I don't know that this will look pretty on my lips though. I think that might be a little bit too much, but if you threw this on the lips and then you threw a gloss, like a pinky gloss just to brighten, I think that would be super nice. Oh my god, I'm like so bronzy. Let me just... That's really pretty. I like it. Do the sides of my nose. Because remember guys, bronzer goes where the sun naturally hits your face. Forehead, cheeks, top of the nose, cheek, chin. I like that a lot. So yes, so this is about $5. Very nice. I don't remember what the other color looked like. I know this one kind of caught my attention because it seemed like it was the most neutral. The lighter one was definitely a gray tone, and I want to say the shade that was in between maybe ran a little bit red. I don't know. But these are definitely worth checking out. And the smell does go away because I'm not smelling it. I've tried products before that just have like a strong scent. Like some of Makeup Revolution's makeup has like, it's like very, very strongly scented, and I can't do it. But this looks really, really nice. It definitely rivals like high-end bronzer. Like I feel like I look like I was outside in the sun and I came in and I'm like, hey, let's talk about makeup. I like it. It's good. Alright guys, if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below. I can't wait to hear from you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.